A week later, I'm back with another spontaneous build with my Cayman. I was driving it and I was like, okay, what could I do better with the suspension? It's already on rails. It already handles so good. But I was doing some research and BC Racing coilovers, honestly, have very good reviews. And here are the coilovers. Oh, beautiful. So pretty much, I got wheel gap for days right here. Wheel gap for days. I mean, it's nice, but it's not the best. Great flush fitment, but it needs to be better. It's gonna handle so much better. It already handles good. It's gonna handle so much better. It's gonna handle so much better after this. Night and day. They say it's like a 50% like stiffer handling, no body roll, nothing. Ah! Whoa. Completely forgot to record, but I took off all these trims, showed the struts. It's actually been 2 days. Oh. It's actually been 2 days. It's been pain. The rears took longer than expected. My fingers hurt. I didn't record crap for the rears, but I'm probably gonna try to record a little bit in the fronts. Kind of got some sleep, so we're gonna finish off the last half. The easy half are the fronts, and then we're gonna put these new OZ wheels on. I didn't record the rear at all. It was in the zone. It was late. Look at this. Look at all this. I had to take apart the trim. I had to compress the spring. I had to reuse the top mount. And so now pretty much the two rear springs are off. And look, I have to still adjust the ride height, which I have no idea how to do that. I still have to torque down every single little bolt here, and I had to take apart the axle. I had to take the axle out so it just drop right out. But these wheels are just like temporary right now. I got the OZs I showed, and now I'm putting in these. I'm gonna put in the front, so it's a lot easier. It's probably half the bolts and half the suspension parts. Still have to take all this stuff off, but it should be a lot easier because you don't have to reuse the top mount. And I heard that these are kind of a pain in the ass, the camber adjustments. I'm not gonna touch anything because it's preset for everything. The rear didn't seem like it was too preset, but I mean, I'll figure it out. Hey. So it should be preset. I don't know. We'll just stick it right in. See, it's loose. Oh wow, look at the difference. Shorter. Look. Oh wow. So much shorter. We're not taking any L's right now. Alright, do that side. We did that side. Listen. The fronts the fronts are so much easier. So much easier. It's just like you're in.
Don't let lie, you've been here for 4 days.
It was nothing. Alright, we're done. All right. Oh. Whoa! The final touches, I mean, pretty much just putting these wheels on. I got to change the tires. These are Hoosier slicks, whatever they're called. Hoosies? Hoisers?
Big old meat Larry
Hoosiers. Big old meat Larry Hoos. Is that a thing? Yeah. Okay, this needs a major alignment, which I have one set up for tomorrow. But the rears, this is how it came. This is how it's set. Rears are all right. I might need a little bit lower, but it looks decent right now. I haven't even driven it. Hasn't even settled. The front's also preset from BC Coilovers. It is pretty high, and I might need a little bit lower, but it doesn't matter. It needs to settle more. I really got to check it out from outside. What?
The rear. Oh, nice looks. Even though the camera does looks.
Yeah, and I got the 15mm spacers I'm gonna put on. Nice. And then I also have 7mm spacers for the fronts, but right now it looks good. The tires are thick. That's the thing. The tires are really thick, so I need to have to like get this size tires. And look, like the clearance. It looks.
It's gonna drop a lot more when you drive it. A lot more.
Yeah.
It's gonna drop.
It's gonna drop a lot more. But yeah. No, yeah. 100%. Yeah, dude, that is horrible. Look at this alignment. If you look, this part is sticking out more than this. I'm gonna go wash my hands. All right, been going through absolute hell trying to dial this thing up. Honestly, I need to get alignment for sure. Like, it's a known fact. But yeah, look at that. I'm going straight. But right now, like, it was rubbing here and there. I put a little bit of spacers on there just for now. I cut my finger. My hands are freaking dirty. I gotta clean the interior of this. But it'll be so worth it in the end. Let's see. I mean, it feels good now. Nice ride, nothing stiff. It's a lot lower. Oh, there's a rub. Right there. Going ahead, wrapping up the video with an alignment. It's catwalking right now. But yeah, I got my friend Kevin. He's gonna be aligning the car in Audi of Fort Myers. It should handle 10 times better with the alignment. It should be a mission to get this thing aligned, but I trust him. That looks horrible. I don't even know what those red, like those arrows mean or anything, but it just looks horrible. Just like that, I think like an hour and 30 minutes, she is dialed up, straight suspension. That pretty much, like, honestly, I'm not gonna keep babbling on. It pretty much wraps up everything in this video that I wanted. And yeah, okay, so I'm out.